Situation of Bihar is actually fucked up. It is not even hyped up. It is fucked up.
Bihar is literally fucked up. You know, it really is because it got a teacher like you. I heard you got suspended. I just wish that your teaching license gets cancelled because Bihar doesn't need a teacher like you. It's such a shame that you're making such derogatory comments while earning your livelihood from Bihar. Wow. So taking money from Bihar is fine with you, but giving it respect was an option. That's great.
They have zero civic sense. I mean it, zero civic sense.
And look at the irony. You're out here on social media abusing in every single sentence and yet lecturing us on our civic sense. बहुत बढ़िया. I'm not gonna even start on the history of Bihar because the world knows about it. But obviously, how would you know? You are a teacher.
मेरे से क्या जो दुश्मनी थी, मुझे इंडिया के worst fucking region में posting दे दी.
If by any chance you are still in Bihar, please go out and learn from some real teachers of Bihar. The top teachers today of India are from Bihar. I'm not talking about any history, I'm not talking about any past. I'm talking about today. Today, the top teachers are from Bihar. Be it Khan sir, be it Anand sir from Super 30, be it R.K. Srivastav, the great mathematician, be it H.C. Verma, one of the great physicists who challenges Chat GPT, who challenges AI today. जिनकी किताबें पढ़ के पूरा देश बड़ा हुआ है. They are from Bihar. They are still in Bihar. Please go out and learn some basic civic sense. Learn some basic decency. But how would you know all this? How would you? You are a teacher.
India developing country मुझे लगता है बस इसलिए है because बिहार है उसके अंदर. The day we remove Bihar from India, it will be developed.
Also, a little fact check for you. Bihar is the second most populated state of India, yet just go and check its crime rate. It doesn't even come in the top 20 list. It doesn't. And the states that you are glorifying, states where you want to work, just go and check its crime chart. It tops in many areas. Dipali, no state is perfect. Literally no state. Being a teacher, you should have considered yourself the luckiest person on the earth that you have got your posting in Bihar. ज्ञान की भूमि कहा जाता है बिहार को. It's the land of knowledge. It's the land of wisdom. But how would you know all this? You're a damn teacher. World की, India की भी नहीं, world की पहली यूनिवर्सिटी, नालंदा, विक्रमशिला. These are in Bihar. We have a damn history of education. Don't even come to that. Don't. Bihar didn't fail you. You failed Bihar. But it's fine. Not everyone is meant to be educated. Some just meant to be loud like you.